how to find recommend your live to friends settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find recommend your live to friends settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now just click these three lines and then click settings, and here you will find this one here, privacy. Click on it and then just click this one, don't recommend my live to friends. If you want to turn it on, you can just click on it, one click, and you can turn it off again just by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.